Well, I hope that I bring some experience from a lifetime, mainly in social policy issues, to discussion of those issues within the House. I spent a lot of my earlier life working in the health service. It is the day-by-day scrutiny of legislation, making sure that bills are amended so they're better, that bringing the expertise, and it goes across all areas of British society, to the scrutiny of legislation, to changing it. In a way, it's not the big set-piece occasions, although those are important. I was very involved in the debates and the defeat of the government on the issue of control orders many years ago, and now we're seeing them reinstated in a different form. And there are those moments of high drama when the House of Lords clashes with the government. But actually, I think the contribution that the House of Lords makes to British democracy is day in, day out, doing that line-by-line scrutiny of legislation to make it better, testing it, bringing experience to bear on it, improving it, and challenging when we think it's wrong. There's some great women in the House of Lords. When I came in, there were still people who had been those early pioneers. You know, people don't understand that women have only been in the House of Lords since 1958. That's in my lifetime. When I was born, women couldn't be members of the House of Lords. In that time, we saw some fantastic women in here. They tended to be real battle axes, and they had to be battle axes. You didn't get anywhere without sharp elbows and fighting for it. But the Nancy Sears of this world were just fantastic. And then when I got here, Barbara Castle was still here, you know, a great campaigning woman politician who wasn't going to be pigeonholed into soft female issues. I think we need to ensure that we don't talk in general terms about how great an institution the House of Lords is, but that we actually use the concrete examples of how the variety of people with the breadth of expertise that they have bring to the legislative process huge benefit in terms of ensuring that our legislation is more fit for purpose and ensuring that ministers are kept on their toes by people who know what they're talking about. And if we could explain how we do that job to the public better, then I think the public would respect us more.